Hey investors, traders, friends, family, fans, followers from around the entire world. Welcome to again one of the most bloodiest days in the stock market history of all time and forever. This is legitimately cataclysmically awful for the bulls and just diabolically fun for the bears, of which I am today and the last few days. $25,000 on the day. Ladies and gentlemen, that is 25 R's today. And yeah, some of the options are still ticking along. These are all trades that we placed in the day trading room. This one on silver, this one on BABA. We played some Tesla. We played some Shopify. What else did we play? Yeah, it was a really good day. Bottom line, very, very good day. Love it. Excited, pumped, fired up. And unfortunately, I think we're going to continue a little bit. Team, it just doesn't quite seem like the fear and the panic is over yet. This is a very massive, big sell-off. That is, unquestionable. Unquestionable. This is scary, team. I mentioned that we should not, by any means, take out the low of yesterday, and not only did we take it out, we gapped below it. I don't know at this point. Again, my hands are in the air. I'm just only playing bearish trades until whatever happens. At this point, 217 on the SPY is a real possibility. 217, that's the 100 simple on a monthly chart. That is a absolute possibility at this point. We could hit that by the end of the month. I really have no idea. I don't know what we're going to do, but I'm not bullish in any form, fashion at all. So present day, I'm day trading bearish. I'm swing trading bearish. And all of my put sales are purchased back at this particular point in time. I'm waiting for something more eventful to happen to go bullish. If you are taking trades bullish, again, you are most likely tiptoeing in. You're buying very, very small size, really intrinsically tiny pieces, and you're just waiting for the bloodbath to eventually subside. And it will. It will. All things pass. Doesn't matter what's happening. But this is the biggest drop that the markets have ever had in one day, point-wise. And I keep saying that over and over and over. The Dow Jones today dropping, 3,000 points. Let's call it 3,000 points. Bananas. Absolute just bloodbath. 13% down on the day, almost hitting the second circuit breaker towards the end of the day. Dow Jones, 1900's a real possibility here, folks. I don't know. Be in the real life trading room. That's all I can say. If you want to at least figure out a way to how to protect yourself, mitigate risk, take some day trades. We played very well today. We traded very well today. I'm proud of our performance. I'm proud of our team. I'm proud of all of our traders. A lot of greatness going on and just some good stuff happening out there. If you know how to take advantage of these movements. And I love trading volatility. I'm a very good bearish day trader. I told you guys I was. I'm proving that to you now. Again, at least I'm trying to. So we'll see what we get. We'll find out what happens in the next few days or weeks. But it does look like, at least in my opinion, that some lower lows are ahead of us at this particular point in time. Any stock that we look at, it's going to all look the same. ROKU getting absolutely roadhoused. Square getting solidly and straight up punched in the face with these gap downs. Incredibly strong bearish gap and go. Square breaking the 200 simple on the weekly chart. This is no joke. Whenever the retest actually comes in, whatever that looks like, I'm just really going to be cautiously trying to figure out how to play that one. Boeing down again today. Just getting rampaged. Carnival Cruise Lines, it's everywhere. Whatever you look at. Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean did close up on the day, 3%. So Royal Caribbean is up. Alibaba is down. So Alibaba's down into the 178-ish region. So this is, again, actually a really good longer-term pullback opportunity, I still feel like, on certain things. But man, oh man, there is some weakness out there. Shopify. So we got into Shopify puts. I'm not exaggerating. This is one of the best trades I've ever done at the exact high of the day. I don't know how I timed that so perfectly. That was pure luck, absolute luck. But we got some puts at 300 at the absolute high of the day on Shopify. So if that continues lower, then, hooray. So we'll see what happens, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I'm almost at a loss of words. It is truly, truly remarkable what's going on. But I will say this. I got an inside scoop from someone who works at the Pentagon. They're talking about a mandatory quarantine for the whole country for 14 days. I don't know if that's absolutely true, if that's realistically going to happen. I'm entirely not positive. But if it does occur, folks, we are not anywhere close to the bottom. People will continue to panic. People will continue to be terrified, get scared, worried, be fearful, be upset, be mortified, whatever the case is. If that happens here in the U.S., it is going to be a continuational bloodbath. So, I don't mean to scare you, but Finance Friday, I talked about this happening. If we took out the lows of Friday, it was over. It was a wrap. It was a wash. We're doing it. It's happening from here, folks. Pure Armageddon. I have no idea. I'm just waiting. I'm just going to play what I see, but I'm only playing things bearish until further notice. So let's go make money. Let's go enrich lives. Let's do great things for great people. And until next time, love life, and trade it. Bye.